Here's a fun puzzle. A dad is 30 years old. His daughter is 6 years old. Every year, they both have a birthday, so they both get 1 year older together. How much older than his daughter is the dad this year? And what about in 5 years? And what about 3 years ago, before she started school?
Oh, easy. The dad is way older. He is like 5 times older right now. So he stays 5 times older every single year, right? Wait. Let me think about that. Pause the video and try it yourself. Does 5 times really stay the same as they both grow up?
Let me draw it. The daughter is 6, so her bar is short. The dad is 30, so his bar is long. Look at the leftover stretch between the tops of the bars. That stretch is how much older the dad is. Right now, the dad is older by 30 take away 6. That is 24 years. Now jump 5 years ahead. The daughter grows by 5, so she is 11. The dad grows by the same 5, so he is 35. They both grew by the very same 5 years. So watch the leftover stretch. 35 take away 11 is still 24. Now go back 3 years, before she started school. The daughter loses 3, so she was 3. The dad loses the same 3, so he was 27. They both lost the very same 3 years. So look again. 27 take away 3 is still 24.
Watch my neck. My neck is the gap, and it is a stiff stick. Here it is today, 24. 5 years later, still 24. 3 years ago, still 24. The stick never stretches and it never shrinks. The gap never moves.
See what happened? The times older kept changing. 5 times, then 9 times, then about 3 times, but the gap stayed frozen at 24 the whole time. When 2 people grow up together, the difference between their ages is the thing that holds still. This is the big idea. The gap never closes. If 2 people age at the same rate, then the difference between their ages stays exactly the same forever. Look for 2 people growing older together and ask, what never changes? Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.